This is a review of the Rolflex Muscle Recovery Tool. Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Candy. I'm a board certified specialist in orthopedic physical therapy, and I want to show you how this tool can help if you have stiff muscles or sore muscles after a workout. This is particularly good for athletes after a hard workout where you've had some lactic acid build up in the muscle, and you don't want that lactic acid to stay in the muscle and start to develop knots or trigger points within your muscles. So this is a good way to help work that lactic acid out of your muscles. It's kind of like having massage, but it's something that you can do at home or on the field or on the court or in the training room to release the lactic acid yourself. So here's how you use the product. I've already taken it out of the box and played around with it a little bit. But once you open it up out of the box, you'll see it's pretty much ready to go. It does have a little cord handle here. But once you take it out, it's basically like a set of pliers where it's adjustable and you can set it to different widths. That's so that you can use it for your arms or your legs and vary it to with like a thicker width for your thighs and a thinner width for your calves or your forearms. So to use it on your forearms, you just rest this pad, it's sort of a non-stick pad, on your thigh, and then you slide your forearm through here. Now, using this yellow roller on the bottom of your forearm, it's a little bit more pinpointed. This side is a little bit smoother, and so it's more of a broad massage, whereas the yellow roller gets a little bit deeper into some of the specific trigger points. So using the yellow roller on the bottom of your forearm would be more for something like a golfer's elbow where you have pain on the inside of your elbow. Or if you want to use it more for tennis elbow, you just flip it around, put the yellow part on the outside of your forearm, and then just roll back and forth like this. You change the pressure by how hard you squeeze on the tool, as well as where you have this ratchet adjusted. So if you bring the ratchet closer together or if you squeeze harder with your hands, that's going to give you more pressure. If you let some pressure off with your hands or you make the ratchet a little bit wider here, then it's not going to be quite as much pressure. You're going to roll through a little bit more smoothly. Now you can also use this on your calves. Just put it behind your leg like this. Make sure you've got it adjusted to a thickness that's appropriate for you. And then squeeze and roll back and forth. Move around to the various spots where you feel knots or muscle soreness. You can also move it up to your thighs. You want to have this set on a relatively wider width for your thighs. And you can do it on your hamstrings, in the back of your thigh, or flip it around. Put the yellow roller on your quadriceps, in the front of your thigh, and just move it back and forth like that. So that's the Rolflex Muscle Recovery Tool. Again, it's good for recovering after a hard workout. And if you are interested in picking this up, I'm going to put a link down in the description below the video. So thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.